Hi everyone, in today's video we will see how to fix ASUS VivoBook in no Ethernet port. Use a USB to Ethernet adapter. Purchase an adapter which allows you to connect an Ethernet cable through a USB port on your laptop. Some adapters may require driver installation. Download the necessary drivers from the manufacturer's website. Plug the adapter into the USB port on your VivoBook and then connect one end of the Ethernet cable to adapter and the other end to your router. Use a USB C or Thunderbolt dock. If your VivoBook has a USB C port, consider using a Thunderbolt dock that includes an Ethernet port. This will not only improve an Ethernet connection but also expand the number of available ports on your laptop. After connecting via adapter or dock, go to the settings, then network and internet on your Windows device to ensure that Ethernet connection is recognized and properly configured. Thank you for watching. Like this video and subscribe to our channel.